Let's start building a simple customer feedback form. First, we'll add an input element. Click the settings icon to configure it. For the label, let's type name. Next, we'll add a placeholder, maybe something like enter your name. You can also set minimum and maximum character limits depending on your preference. For example, at least 3 characters and up to 100. Notice how the form automatically applies validation rules. If someone enters fewer or more characters than allowed, the form will guide them with an error message. Now let's add an email element to our form. Just like with the input field, you can customize it by clicking the settings icon. From there, you can change the label. For example, let's call it email address. You also have the option to make it clearable, so users can easily erase and re-enter their email if needed. The best part? The email element comes with built-in validation. This means if someone enters an invalid email format, the form will instantly let them know. Next, let's add another input element and label it as phone number. Just like before, open the settings icon to configure it. This time, we'll customize the input type. You can choose from different options such as password, text, or telephone. Since this field is for phone numbers, let's select Tel. With this setup, the field is now optimized for phone number entry, especially handy on mobile devices, where it brings up a numeric keypad for easier input. Let's make our form easier to read by adding a header element. We'll place it right above the fields we've created and rename it to personal information. From the settings, you can also customize the text style. You can choose a different heading type to match the look and feel of your form. This way, users can quickly see that this section is all about their personal details. If we have multiple sections within one form, we can keep everything organized by adding a divider element. The divider creates a clear visual break between sections. You can also choose from different styles for the divider, making it fit perfectly with your form's design. And here's more. You can add a label to name each section. Plus, you can fully customize it based on your preference, like adjusting the placement of the label or even controlling its visibility. With just a simple divider, your form becomes structured, professional, and much easier to complete. Now, let's add a long text element for answers that need more detail. First, change the label to your preferred name. For example, what did you like most about our product service? Then, update the placeholder with a helpful hint, like, enter your comment. This field also comes with various customization options. You can set a word limit, enable auto-sizing so the box grows as users type, or define a minimum and maximum length for their response. You can even choose how many rows the text area should display by default, giving your form a clean and user-friendly layout. And just like that, we've added space for longer, more detailed feedback. Next, let's add a radio button option to our form. We'll use this to ask our customers a simple but powerful question. Would you recommend us to others? For the answers, we can provide options like yes or no, or add as many choices as we like. What's great is that we can also choose the display type for the radio buttons. Go with the classic default style, make them look like clickable buttons, or line them up neatly using the inline option. This makes the question clear, interactive, and easy for customers to answer. Now let's add our last basic element, a drop-down option. Just like the radio button, the drop-down is fully customizable. You can rename its label, for example, preferred contact method. Then, simply add as many options as you like, such as email or phone. You can even make it clearable, so users can reset their choice and searchable, which is perfect when you have a long list of options. And there we have it. We've covered the essential elements and built our very own basic customer feedback form. With just a few simple steps, You now have a structured, user-friendly form ready to collect valuable insights from your customers.